Just after hosting Chinese President Xi Jinping, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set for his next big summit. The world is watching as Modi prepares for his high-profile meeting with American President Barack Obama later this week. A lot is at stake for the world's two largest democracies. Expectations are high that both leaders will walk the extra mile, considering the not-so-pleasant relations between the two countries in the recent past.
Back home, the groundwork has begun while the Prime Minister will address the who's who of India Inc. to give a big push to his pet theme, Make in India. His A-team is also working overtime to find a solution to vexed issues like the natural gas price hike. ET now learns that the decision is likely before the weekend itself. There are moves to liberalize the FDI norms further in a bid to protect India's new liberal face.
Hours before he boards his maiden flight to the United States, Narendra Modi is out to make an impression. He wants to leave no stone unturned while wooing the big bucks. And so he's on a reform spree. Decisions are being quickly taken, especially the ones that will make the big headlines.
Come, make in India.
So just a month after he announced the Come, Make in India slogan, he will launch the initiative in a power-packed event attended by who's who of India Inc. and investing community on September 25th. Modi will also take the crucial decision on a gas price hike before leaving. Informed sources say the long-pending call will be made this Wednesday by the Union Cabinet. For the man often referred to as the great brand manager, Modi will also tweak the rules to facilitate greater FDI in the construction business before meeting Barack Obama. Prime Minister Modi has had a tumultuous relationship with Obama's America. And now he's on the verge of re-scripting Indo-US ties once again, which is why he wants to go armed with substance that will back his claim and his overwhelming mandate. Bureau Report, ET Now, New Delhi.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.